Hi flower friends, it's summer here in New England and the farm stands are bursting with fresh vegetables and locally grown flowers. It's a great time of year. Now truthfully, I am running a little low on flowers this week, but I did want to show you a neat tutorial. I have these gorgeous little lime green hydrangeas, I have these white mums, and then I also have these fabulous hot pink carnations, and I'm going to show you a really cool trick to upgrade them. This first leaf that you see is called an Aspectus Relief, and it's super long lasting and hardy, and you can actually manipulate it into a number of different shapes. The key is to remove the spine of the Aspectus Relief, and what that does is it makes it easier to work with and a little bit softer, more flexible. Now, if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I always talk about removing all of the foliage from your leaves and stems before you put it into the vase. Now, in this situation, Aspectus Reliefs are very hardy and very long lasting and actually don't disintegrate the way a regular leaf would. And so that's why it's safe to line the vase with it. Now you'll see that the tape wasn't really behaving for me, but really the key is to have it in a grid pattern, stick it to the side of the vase, and that way it will hold all of your stems upright. Those first flowers that you see are fluffy white mini hydrangeas. And the next flower that you'll see are those beautiful white mums. That is called sedum, and actually it's only in the immature stage there. So it comes out as kind of a bright lime green, and I actually thought that would be beautiful to set off the hot pink of the carnations that we'll be using later. So for this arrangement so far, we have 3 sedum, 3 mums, and 3 white hydrangeas. Okay, so what you'll see here is beautiful hot pink carnations. Now, this trick does work better when the carnations are a little bit more mature, shall we say. What you'll do is open up the carnation and actually take your fingertips and pull out, don't be scared, the center of each carnation. And what you'll see is it will expose the center of the carnation, and it's this gorgeous lime green color, and that will actually bring out the lime green of the sedum as well. I like doing this because it gives the carnations a slightly different look and it does not shorten the vase life of it either. Now, after I turn the vase, you'll actually see that one of the stems is going on the wrong side of the leaf, and I'll actually be fixing that at the end of the video. After I stopped filming and looked at the finished arrangement, I did actually add those last two pink carnations, and I fixed that stem. And you can kind of fluff it and play with it and make sure that it looks beautiful. Thanks so much for watching, and if you liked this tutorial, please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe.